got me to be wanting to be in this class was my grandparents own an automotive shop, and I've been dreaming to be a mechanic since I was little. Once I heard the school had an automotive program, I knew that I had to take the class.
Right now in our class we're mounting and dismounting tires, and then in class we learn about like engine block formations, and then we come out here and our teacher teaches us how to change oil.
I definitely want to be able to have a certification just to show that I did this and I can actually work on your cars and have the credibility to be able to.
It's like, well, this could be an opportunity for me to really get more hands-on with some of the vehicles that I work on, because like I have a dream of building my own truck soon in the future.